Hey everyone, today I will show you a few different creepy and cool skin textures you can create using around the house items with latex to create your perfect look. I will be using coffee, toilet tissue, oats, cotton balls, and regular liquid latex. All you will need is a smooth surface you don't mind getting messy and is easy to remove the latex. To start, I'm pouring regular liquid latex. You can use this as an adhesive, create peeling skins, cuts, and as a base with flour to create larger pieces and attachments. Cotton can create a lumpy raised texture that you can use for burned skin that healed, or a rough veiny texture that you see in zombies. Tissue is the easiest item that you can get your hands on, and you can also use this to create cuts, open wounds, peeled skin, anything. When I see oats, I think of scaly reptile skin. You can sprinkle it on as I'm doing, or strategically place them down to look like true scales. Coffee is grainy and can create a scabby texture. If you use it less, it'll resemble a bumpy skin, and the more you add, the more it'll turn into a scab. I let the latex dry overnight, and this is how it turned out. I was a bit surprised how the latex dried on its own. It was really transparent and clear, so I would suggest mixing your foundation with the latex before it dries if you're adding it to your body afterwards. I also wasn't sure what I was going to do with it exactly. I just wanted to see what the latex looked like when it dried on its own, like off the skin. So I stuck a skewer stick and tried to make it like it was coming out of my arm. There wasn't really any strategy going on with how I applied all of these pieces. I just used one arm and fit them where I could, and so this doesn't really need much explanation. I think my favorite type to use would definitely be the cotton. I really like how the texture came out, and I feel like it's just easier to utilize and shape and move around. I also really like the oats. I kind of like the reptilian scaly skin. But as far as the paint job goes, I have no clue what I'm doing, if you haven't noticed by now at this point. If you're an expert, I'm pretty sure it will turn out beautifully, and if you have no clue what you're doing, just paint till it looks good. But don't forget to add some fake blood, because that will give it that finishing touch that ties the whole thing together. Hopefully this was useful to you, and gave you some type of inspiration, you can mix and match or put all of them together and see what crazy creation you come up with. So again, I apologize for putting this out so late, but it is what it is, and you can use this for future projects or Halloween next year or whatever. So have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovelies next time.